What if I told you that your child could learn to code no matter their age, in a way that's fun, engaging, and fits their unique learning style? At Whizen Academy, Siliguri's first tech academy for kids, we have made coding accessible for kids for all age groups. Yes, you heard it right. Whether your child is in grade 1 or grade 12, we've got them covered with both online and offline learning options. For our youngest learners, we start with simple game-based block coding where we introduce programming concepts in simple and easy manner. Now as the child grows, so does their learning. From grade 5 onwards, we introduce them to real-world text-based coding where they learn not only how to build simple web pages but are also trained to build full-stack applications. And the best part, this isn't just a class, it's a project-based learning for the future, where your kid will code, create, and build with technology. Seats are filling fast, so enroll now and kickstart your child's coding journey with Whizen Academy.